Solve for an indicated variable. So the formula in this case is I equals PRT, but we want to solve this for t. Right? So what does that mean to solve for t? Well, we notice in the formula itself which variable is by itself. Right? The I, right? The interest in this case. I is by itself, and I is equal to P times R times T. So when it says to solve for T here, right? Essentially that means let's get the T by itself, okay? So first thing we should do is, okay, let's first identify or locate where the T variable is. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be right here. So if we want to get T by itself, then what does that mean? Okay, it means we have to get everything else on the other side, right? So in this case, this is P times R times T. Okay, so in order to get T by itself, what would we have to do in this case? Okay, in this case, there's actually going to be only one step. In this case, we can divide both sides by PR. Okay, now we can do this one at a time or we can do them both together, right? But if we divide both sides by PR, what's going to happen on the right side? Right? PR divided by PR cancels out. So what are we left with? Right? We're just left with T by itself. So what does T equal then? T is equal to I divided by PR. Okay, so essentially, if we want to do some math here, right? So if we are given the interest, if we are given the principal, and we are given the rate, right, then we can use this formula here to solve for the time.